We believe that food is the ultimate medicine, and that if people eat right, they would live up to 120 years without chronic conditions or mental illnesses. So we started to organize the world's food knowledge so we can give it back to people and help them live long and healthy lives. Hello, I'm Victor Penev, founder of Edamam, and Edamam is a company that sits in the intersection of food, data, and health. We believe that food is the ultimate medicine, and that if people eat right, they would live up to 120 years without chronic conditions or mental illnesses. So we started to organize the world's food knowledge so we can give it back to people and help them live long and healthy lives. Fairly early on, we realized that the best way for us to actually realize our mission is to partner with companies where people make decisions about food, whether those are groceries, corporate wellness programs, population health companies, technology companies. So as you can see, we've partnered with a lot of clients that are reaching hundreds of millions of people and even billions of people, whether they're using Microsoft search engine, Amazon Alexa app, or the Noom app. Those clients use us to provide certain solutions to their customers, whether those are personalized meal recommendations, nutrition analysis, and data. And this is what we serve to them. It is a subscription service. We charge them monthly or annually for use of the data, either through API or as licensed data sets. And they come to us for two or three primary reasons. First of all, we've arguably built the largest database of food, meals, and nutrition in the world, with over 5 million recipes and 1 million foods analyzed and tagged for every single nutrient, every allergen, every lifestyle diet, every chronic condition. Those are all searchable and very easy to personalize. It is also very affordable. Our API started at $49 a month. And last but not least, we have human level accuracy. We've been matched against human nutritionists, and we know that we perform as well as a human nutritionist in real-time nutrition analysis and meal recommendations, which places us very well vis-a-vis the competition on all those parameters. We have some competitors that have very large databases, but their accuracy is low. And the companies that provide very high accuracy usually employ human nutritionists, so they don't have the scope and scale and fastness that we can achieve. We have a very strong pipeline with over 200 active outbound deals. Our average deal has 25,000 ARR, and they're normally 3-year deals, although most of our deals are usually in the 5th or 6th year now. So we have a very, very low churn. And you can see on the right-hand side some of the customers that are coming up: CVS, Aetna, Kaiser Permanente, Teladoc, Livongo. We've also achieved significant mind share across the developer community that is building things based on food data and nutrition data. We have over 100,000 developers that are building apps using our APIs. A little bit about the market. It's a $20 billion market worldwide. Last year, we finished with $705,000 of revenue. This year, we're aiming to reach over 1 million. We are profitable. And all the money that we've raised has been from friends and family, and the majority of the investment comes from me personally. Which brings me a little bit to the team. My claim to fame is that I built Bulgaria's largest internet company. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Edamam is my 4th company. Everybody on our team has actually been involved in startups before in leadership positions, and we have an amazing team of engineers with decades of experience in AI, semantic data, and search. Wherever we don't have expertise, we have an illustrious group of advisors and investors to help us along the way. So we are raising $3 million round. We are 1/3 way through it to hire sales, product, and nutrition staff, acquire the assets of a few small companies that are selling themselves, and also expand geographically by offering an office in Asia. So if you, like us, believe that food is the ultimate medicine, come join us. And thank you. Looking forward to your questions.
Awesome. Thank you, Victor. I aspire to be a lady on the last slide.
She's 92.
She's incredible. So can you just walk us through some typical use cases, how your data is used in the APIs, please?
Absolutely. So the two primary use cases are personalized meal recommendations and use of nutrition data and analysis. The typical case is chronic condition company, for example, Virta Health, which manages type 2 diabetes. they have a holistic way to manage their population, and one of them is diet management. And so we provide the underlying nutrition data and recipes for them to create meal plans so that they can treat the type 2 diabetics. So that's one way to do it. The other use case is nutrition data, and this is, for example, Food Network, and everybody knows Food Network. So we supply the nutrition data for all the recipes on Food Network, and this is purely nutrition analysis, nutrition data. Another interesting example is Amazon Alexa. So if you ask Alexa, is Caesar salad gluten-free? How many calories in spaghetti bolognese? The data comes from us, so we power that as well. We are really kind of the underlying data layer for all those applications.
A couple of business model questions in the chat. One is, are you B2B? Do you have a direct-to-consumer product, and how do you charge your users?
So we do not have direct-to-consumer product. Actually, we do have some legacy direct-to-consumer product, but we mostly use it for research to see what's new in the market. We don't have any. We don't charge consumers. We have found that the B2B is a much better model for us. So that's so that answers that question. And I forget what the other question was. If you can remind me.
How do you charge?
How do we charge? We charge monthly or annually for depending on how our product is used. If you use our API, it's based on volume of API calls, how many times you ping our server, and we charge you at the end of the month based on that. Or if you want to store the data locally on your servers, then we license the data to you and we charge you per unit of data every month. Or you can pay on an annual basis. We offer discounts if you prepay for the year.
What are your plans in terms of growth over the next 1 to 2 years? What are you focused on?
So first of all, we have the good problem of having way too much inbound demand for our services. So we want to hire a bunch of salespeople, product engineers. We basically have to expand our team just to go after the market that's coming to us, which is population health, corporate wellness, outpatient departments of clinics, even insurance companies. Now, in terms of actual expansion, we're looking to open an office either in Singapore and Tokyo to start serving the Asian market. And we are looking to buy the assets of a few companies that are selling themselves, which will kind of shorten our product development as well. And we have a very, very strong product path in expanding our data along the lines of genome data, microbiome data, flavor and texture, and so on and so forth, so that we create even more ways to personalize meal recommendations and help people eat better.